Switching to Heikin Ashi candlesticks is by far the easiest way to become profitable fast, and they work so well it almost feels like cheating. If someone had told me this when I first started trading, I would have been able to start getting wins like this, and like this much sooner. So by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what Heikin Ashi candlesticks are, as well as how they are better than regular candlesticks. And you're also going to learn how to use them exactly how I use them in the strategy that has made me the most amount of money day trading in recent years. Now look, it's important that you understand that trading is not a get rich quick thing. You're not going to make one change and then suddenly make millions overnight. It took me honestly over 3 years to get to where I'm at today. But if I was starting over, this one switch and this one little adjustment to the charts is the most important thing that I would do to become a profitable trader much faster. So with that being said, let's hop right into this. So here we are on charts. You've all seen these regular candlesticks before, and if you haven't, let me break down what these mean just very quickly. So each of these candlesticks are simply telling a story. Let's say this candlestick right here. The top of this wick is the highest point that price has been throughout this entire candlestick. Then the bottom of the wick is the lowest point that price has been throughout this candlestick. Now the body of the candlestick right here, this is simply telling us where price started at and where price ended at. Right now I'm on the 1 minute time frame. So this green candlestick is telling me that the bottom of the candlestick is where price started at, and the top right here is where price ended at the end of that minute. Now, same thing with the next candlestick after it, except this is a bearish candlestick. The top of the body is telling us where price started at, and the bottom is telling us where price ended at. And then the wicks are telling us the same exact story, where the highest point of that candlestick was, and then the lowest point of where that candlestick was. Now, most traders use regular candlesticks, and it's honestly why a lot of them struggle and why they're not profitable yet. And that's because regular candlesticks show way too much detail. All of these candlesticks are way too jittery, causing you to mess up in a few different ways. First of all, let's say you were in buys right here, right? And you're buying to the upside. And then you're in the trade and you see this red candlestick start going against you, and what ends up happening? You start thinking in your mind, oh, maybe it's about to reverse. Maybe I should close my trade out, causing you to close trades out early and miss out on the overall profit, knowing that price is still ultimately going up. But all these little hiccups and all these little candlesticks right here scare most traders. They also show a lot of sporadic data, meaning these candlesticks are 1 minute candlesticks, and price could have been down here this entire time. And then randomly for the last 1 second of the candlestick, it could buy up here. And this could be a false signal that price is breaking out to the upside. That will cause you to enter the trade based off the candlestick you just saw without being able to know the entire picture, without being able to know that price struggled to break up here the entire time. So even if it does go up here, it's probably weak and it's not a real breakout, or it's not real volume to the upside. With regular candlesticks, you're literally never able to tell where price spent majority of its time. You don't know if price is consistently up here and is showing a lot of bullish momentum up here, or if price just randomly spiked up here the last 2 seconds of a 1 minute candlestick. And I know all these firsthand because when I first started off trading, these are all things that messed me up. The inconsistency with regular candlesticks, the small little pullbacks that scared me out of trades, the not knowing if price is actually breaking out of an area or if it's a fake out. You get all of these tails by using regular candlesticks, and that's a huge flaw, and that's what holds so many traders back and causes them to continue to be unprofitable. Now, it's when I learned about Heikin Ashi candlesticks that things literally changed for me. I want you guys to see, this is the live charts right here. Just look at the difference when price is in this uptrend. Switch over to Heikin Ashi on the top corner over here. You can hit this drop down on TradingView or any platform you use, and just press Heikin Ashi candlesticks. Look how smooth this looks to the upside. We're now obviously seeing that price is buying to the upside, versus on regular candlesticks, we see all this hesitation. We see price stopped here, was wicky here. We see all this hesitation to the upside. We see all these red candlesticks that would scare any trader outside of their trade. When we switch over to Heikin Ashi candlesticks, everything is smoothed out. Now, I know most of you guys have probably never even heard of Heikin Ashi candlesticks or never seen these before, and trust me, that's fine. I was in the same boat as you, but then when I learned about them, I realized that they're very widely used in Japan. Heikin Ashi actually stands for, well, means average bar in Japanese. Yes, I speak fluent Japanese now at this point. But no, in all seriousness, Heikin Ashi means average bar in Japanese, and a lot of Japanese traders use these specifically for that reason. As I mentioned, they're very widely used in Japan, and they kind of just like keep it as their own secret. They don't really share it to people. I mean, it's my little secret as well. I've been using Heikin Ashi candlesticks now for about 5 years, and I've kind of kept it a secret. But now I feel like a majority of people need to learn this because it has drastically impacted my profitability, my mental part of trading. The stress that comes with trading has greatly diminished due to using these candlesticks. And I'm also not getting faked out, not nearly as much as I used to when I used regular candlesticks. So now let's break down what these candlesticks are and how they're different than regular candlesticks. So as we just went over earlier inside this video, we know on regular candlesticks, the wicks are showing us exactly where price has been throughout the candle. And the body is usually showing us the open and the close, meaning the start and the finish of each candlestick. And Heikin Ashi candlesticks are very similar, but they're also very different. But their difference is what makes them amazing. So the wicks will show the same thing. When we see this candlestick right here with a wick up here and a wick down here, this is still showing us that price at one point was up here and at one point it was down here. Now the top of a bullish candlestick, let's say right here, bullish candlestick is a green candlestick. The top of a bullish candlestick isn't showing us where price closed at. So price could have technically closed over here or over here. The top of a bullish candlestick's body is showing us the average of where price has been throughout this entire candlestick. Now that's extremely important and extremely beneficial. But the bottom of each bullish Heikin Ashi candlestick always starts in the middle of the body of the previous one. So you see in this example, the bottom is right here and it starts in the middle of the candlestick before it. Same thing happened with this one. The bottom of this candlestick started in the middle of the candlestick before it. Now this candlestick, again, it was up here at one point. It could have been down here as well. But the average price of where this entire candlestick has been throughout this entire 1 minute increment is right here. And then obviously it's going to be the opposite when it comes to bearish candlesticks. So wicks still show us exactly what's going on as far as where price has been. When we see price up here and we see price down here, that's the highest and the lowest it's been. But then the bottom of the body is the average of where price has been on Heikin Ashi candlesticks that are bearish. So the bottom one right here, price on average was right here. Again, the top of a bearish candlestick is going to start in the middle of the candlestick before it, which is opposite to bullish candlesticks. So this one, the top of it starts here, which is the middle of the one before it. And then right here, this one starts right here. Sorry, top of this candlestick starts at the middle of the candlestick before it. Then the bottom is the average of where this candlestick has been throughout this entire time. So you understand how Heikin Ashi candlesticks work now. Now, why does it matter? Why is it so beneficial? So first of all, it is absolutely amazing for us to be able to see the overall trend of where price is actually going. On regular candlesticks, we can get faked out thinking that we're going to the upside and then trending to the downside or starting to trend to the downside. With Heikin Ashi candlesticks, we can clearly see that we're going up, having a bit of just consolidation and then continuing back in the overall trend. That's a huge benefit when it comes to Heikin Ashi candlesticks because it stops you from getting scared of getting out of a trade too early when you see one candlestick go against you. Now, another huge benefit is that it allows us to see real support and resistance zones. What I mean by real support or resistance zones is you've probably had trouble sometimes drawing or finding good support or resistance zones on regular candlesticks. That's because on regular candlesticks, there's just so much noise. There's way too much going on. It's super hard to find actual support and resistance zones. But on Heikin Ashi candlesticks, we can clearly see pivotal points, meaning pivotal point is right here. A pivotal point is right here. Another pivotal point is right here, where we went from red to green to red to green. Very, very simply, we can easily see all of these support and resistance zones on Heikin Ashi candlesticks because we're blocking out the noise. We're blocking out all the fake support or resistance zones. We're able to just see the ones that actually matter. Another huge benefit is if you trade any type of breakout, because as I mentioned, price can randomly break out of zones and it can look like a breakout on regular candlesticks. It can look like price actually is breaking out of an area, but it could have just been that price wicked above it. But on Heikin Ashi candlesticks, we can actually be able to tell and see that price not only broke out of a recent resistance zone or a recent support zone, but it also averaged outside of it, meaning there's a lot of volume outside of it and price is holding above it. For example, with this setup right here, we can see this would be a zone for price to break above. And then what happens when price closes, the body of a Heikin Ashi candlestick closes above it? That means price averaged above our breakout zone, giving us a strong signal that we're not going to get faked out, that we can now trust that this is a real breakout because price is already held above here and actually averaged above here. Versus on regular candlesticks, it could be chilling down here the entire time, and then the last second or so, wick above here, and then you enter for a buy thinking we're about to have a breakout, only for price to sell all the way down, hit your stop loss, and you lose the trade. Now we're about to hop into a very, very simple strategy that I use when it comes to these Heikin Ashi candlesticks. But I want you guys to first realize you should learn regular candlesticks first. You have to understand the foundation. You have to understand where the wicks work or how the bodies of a regular candlestick work before you could then go and utilize Heikin Ashi candlesticks. But once you understand regular candlesticks, the switch to Heikin Ashi is extremely important. Yes, you can sometimes do good with regular candlesticks, but you have a huge edge when you're able to use Heikin Ashi candlesticks and not have to worry about all the pitfalls that most unprofitable traders have to worry about. If you don't know what my inner circle is, it is where I trade live every single morning, not just me, but 4 other extremely profitable coaches. You don't just get access to watch us trade live, but you get access to my entire library of course material that will teach you everything that I know about trading. Every single piece of knowledge and wisdom that I've gathered over the last 8 years of trading has been put into my inner circle. That way, you're not just being able to watch us trade and trade with us, but you know exactly why we're entering each trade. You know exactly why each trade is playing out. That way, you're able to replicate it for yourself. In the inner circle, you also get access to our dedicated trading psychologists, because if you did not know, trading is majority a mental game. So I put the inner circle together. I put everything inside the inner circle that I wish I had when I first started off trading that would have helped me reach the point that I'm at now much faster. It would not have taken me 3 years. I literally have people inside of my inner circle that after 6 months, they're starting to get their first 5-figure payouts start coming in consistently. So if you're someone that actually wants to take trading serious and be able to have somebody that's been where you are and it's kind of at the point that most people want to get to when it comes to trading, I'll leave a link for it inside the description of this video. Keep in mind, spots are extremely limited. If you go through the comments of any of my videos, you're going to see a lot of people complain about there not being any spots in the inner circle. That's because I have to keep it exclusive for people who actually want to get good at trading. If you're just someone that just wants a few $100 a month or whatever, then my YouTube videos are 100% enough and you can take your time and kind of build from there. But if you're someone who wants to be able to scale fast, the inner circle might be for you. So I'll leave a link for it inside the description of this video. All right, so here we are on the chart. This is one of the simplest strategies that you can use with Heikin Ashi candlesticks, just because how great they are at showing you what price actually wants to do. So I already mentioned it's super easy to find support or resistance zones with Heikin Ashi candlesticks. All I do is I look at my charts and I'm drawing boxes from the highest wick to the highest body. So for in this example right here, the highest wick is up here and the highest body is right here. That's a resistance zone. Same thing with the support zone. So right here, the lowest body to the lowest wick right here. And I'm just dragging it across, waiting for price to tap into it. Now, keep in mind, I'm doing this all on the 5-minute time frame. You can do this on the 5-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame, the hourly time frame. I wouldn't suggest drawing zones on the 1-minute time frame just because it's too much stuff going on. The 5-minute time frame is a great medium for this simple Heikin Ashi strategy. So all I do is I wait for price to then tap into my zone, and I'm looking for a Heikin Ashi doji candlestick to print. Now, if you don't know what a doji candlestick is, I'm going to draw it out for you. It's usually a candlestick that has a small body with long wicks on the top and long wicks on the bottom. This is what a doji candlestick looks like. I am an artist. Thank you very much. But this shows indecision. This shows that price is indecisive and it is probably going to reverse. This is usually how it acts on regular candlesticks. But on Heikin Ashi candlesticks, dojis are like supercharged. When you see a doji, it is a clear indication that price is most likely about to reverse. So what I'll do is I'll wait for price to tap into my either support zone or resistance zone, and I would look for a Heikin Ashi doji candlestick to print. So let's fast forward and see if we get one. Perfect. Right here, we have a Heikin Ashi doji candlestick. Long wicks on the top, long wicks on the bottom with a small body. Now it's going to look different. You'll see a doji candlestick right here. You'll see doji candlestick right here. You see doji candlesticks right here. They're all going to look different, but what you're looking for are these long wicks on the top and the bottom with a small body. You can see another perfect example right here. Long wicks on the top and the bottom with a small body. And that just tells us that price is most likely about to reverse. So I'd look for a Heikin Ashi candlestick that prints a doji pattern after it bounced off a zone. So in this instance, I would then enter for a buy on that trade. Remember also that the body does not show where price closed at. So price didn't close here. It could have closed here, but potentially it could have closed up here, down here. I like to put my entry as if it closed at the top of the candlestick. And then I just go for a 2-to-1 at that point. And then let's fast forward to see if this ends up playing out. And as you see, this ended up hitting absolutely perfectly. Just from drawing my zones off on the 5-minute time frame, using Heikin Ashi candlesticks, and waiting for that supercharged version of a doji candlestick, which is a wick on the bottom, wick on the top, and a small body. So now you've seen it. It's the easiest and simplest change that you can make right now to your charts to become profitable faster. And on top of that, you got the exact way that I use them inside of my strategy that has personally made me the most amount of money in recent years. But here's the cold hard truth. Even the best candlesticks in the world with the cleanest strategy in the world, none of that is going to change your life if you're only trading with a couple $100. The only reason this stuff actually works the way that it does for me is because I have the capital to back it up. I'm not risking my rent money. I'm not risking my life savings. I'm literally using other people's money to scale my trading. So if you're ready for that next step and you're ready to actually take this strategy and trade it on real capital instead of trading it on $200 of your own money, that's not going to move the needle. I made this full video right here that breaks down the easiest way to do that as a complete beginner. I'm going to leave it right here. So click the video right here and I'll see you in there. It's the next step.